Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm back for videos, okay? I want to come back just to show you guys another $100 commission has come in. All the selling and telling for you guys. This is a simple texting software, okay, in which you're going to be assigned a phone number. The company's going to assign you a phone number. Your job is to share your phone number. You can post ads. I'll give you some training and show you some places where you can actually share your phone number. You also get a website with this. So that's all you'll need to do, okay? And let the system do all the selling and telling for you. And this system pays you $100 commissions instantly, okay? However you want to receive your payments, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Zelle, any of those ways, you can receive your payment. You can set that up in your profile, but it's $100 instant commissions. And guess what? It's only $110 to get started with this business. So this is a great way to actually do some online, making money online with affiliate marketing. Okay. So I'm going to show you the $100 commission that has come in, and then we'll go and check out textbot. Okay. But definitely get started with this one. $110. The $100 will be paid to the person that referred you. So if you're joining me, you would send me $100. It's going to show you. The system is going to walk you through all that. No worries about that. And the $10 is for your texting credits. Okay? Because when people dial your number, it uses a credit. So the credits are very cheap and very reasonable. So $110 will get you started and you're ready to rock and roll. I'm going to share with you some places where I market, okay, where you can place ads for the text bot and just let the system do everything else for you. All right, so let's go check out textbot. Okay, so in your back office with Ava, textbot, actually, I'm sorry, you're going to see two links, okay, that you can promote. And then right here, if you click this little, looks like a little square, that is the phone, okay? Click that and it will display your phone number that's been assigned to you by the company. So just doing this part-time, this is not my primary business, but just part-time, I've earned $600, okay? As I stated, another $100 came in. So let's go check this out. All right, as you can see right here, I received a payment that has come in for textbot, okay, from Greg. Welcome aboard, Greg. All right, so this absolutely works, guys, okay? It's totally automated, the sales funnel, okay? So the way it was designed is that everything is going to be automated. When someone dials your number, okay, here's my number right here, 845-253-6408. Go check it out, dial it for a free demo, and you will see how Ava, which is our virtual assistant, will walk you through the whole process of signing up, okay? So you don't have to talk to people, just get them over to your number. And again, I offer some training, and I also will give you one of the ads that I've used, okay, to get people to take action. Okay, so you're going to be getting a lot of leads coming in. You will see them in your back office, and then you will see people signing up as well. Okay, so I'll offer you some training. But if you're looking for something simple, advertising a phone number, they even give you some social media banners that you can put up, and we'll go to the back office so you can see some of the things that you can do. You've seen one of my images. I have my number on it. And I actually use that in different places on social media, as well as the ad that I'm speaking of that I put out, and people respond to that as well. So I'll share that with you when you join. But, I mean, you can't get any simpler than sharing a phone number, guys. And it's all automated. That's the big thing. You're not going to have to be on the phone trying to explain things and close people. When people call the number, it will walk them through the whole setup process, okay? Now, this is also a third-party marketing system that I'm using. I'm going to put the link below. Let me show you that page. Check this page out. Okay, this is the page here. It puts your picture there. There's a video that's going to explain it. Okay. This is a nice third-party system. This is optional. You don't have to use this. You can simply just use what the company has provided you, which I'll go back to that. But this is another system that I use, okay? So I'm always testing different marketing strategies. And this system will follow up. It's an autoresponder that will follow up with your prospects on your behalf, okay? And keep reminding them about the program. And then it has a frequently asked questions section right here. And then when someone decides to join, there's different places on this page where if they click join, okay, it takes them over here. And then right here, they'll watch that. But if they click here, put in their phone number, that is how they'll start setting up the process as well and get started with the website that you have. You have this website. Everybody has this particular website as well. Okay, so you can use this, or you can just use the phone number, or both. You know, I like to test and test and test different strategies. So they all work. You just have to do the work. Okay, so let me show you the capture page that goes with the marketing system that I'm speaking of. Okay, so here's the capture page. Okay, it's only $19.95 a month. So this is another option as well. Okay, this is capture page. This is the landing page. So this is another system that I use outside of the one that comes with it. Let's go look at the one that comes with textbot. Okay, here's one. This is the new one they created. Okay, has a video right here. They register and they can sign up right here. The CEO of textbot. Okay, look at what's been paid out to affiliates for this program. You see that? Over $1 million in commissions. And they have 43,000 affiliates in this program. So this is one. You can see people are signing up right now as I'm talking to you. Okay, then let me show you the other page. This is the one I just showed you. And this is in your back office. Okay, so there's the phone number. Then you have two websites that you can promote with it. Okay, and then I showed you a third-party one that I'm using. I'll put that link below if you're interested in that, guys. But just get people to your phone number. That's it. Get people to your phone number. You'll be assigned a phone number. Okay, get them to the phone number and let Ava, as it states right here, let Ava do all the selling and telling for you. This is automated. Okay, it works while you're sleeping 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Once you put the number out there in the websites, people will come. If you use those capture pages, you can also do solo ads, okay, to get traffic over to your website. Okay, so there's many ways to market this, but simply sharing a phone number or sharing a website, and you can start making these $100 commissions as well. All right, so I'm going to put the link below. And I'm going to list the marketing system. If you're interested in that $19.95 system, you can do that. Okay, if not, that's fine too. Just go ahead and sign up. It's only $110. Okay, and once you sign up, I have to mark you as paid, and then I will email you over one of the ads that I'm using and places where I actually do some marketing, some classified ads, to get people to check this out. All right, if you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. Okay, all right, guys, I will see you on the next video. You guys be safe out there and have a blessed day. See you on the next video.